this is the last video for chapter 4. In this video, we will do two questions, question number 4 and 5 from page number 184 in your book, Computer Applications, Sumita Arora. So, the output of the question number 4, you can check here. This is the output, and here we need to give equal space. This means we need to change the width of the columns and height as well. So first we have made this table, and in this table here row span is used in the this cells also row span. In first col span is equal to 3, and nothing else. No row span and col span is used. The remaining table is the simple table by using the TD tag. Okay, so now we will check that how we can increase the width of the columns. First we'll check the width of first column, and then same width we will give to the other columns. From here you can check. Now we are on the last row. From this row you can check that width is 90, and you can copy and paste it. This width is of which column first. Now we need to give this width to the next column. Okay, so we need to check the content xb, where the content xb is written. It is here. In this we'll copy and paste it. Then after XB 31, 15 and 4. In these three cells also we need to give same width. Fine. Here we can give this width 90, and in this also, or in last TD. Fine. Save the value, and now check, refresh, reload. Fine. Here you can check that this table's width of all the columns is 90 now. Now we will increase the height of these columns. So you need to increase the height of one cell only. The remaining row will be of the same height, and in same way you need to increase the width of one column. You need to give the width in one column only. Then the complete column will be of the same width. Now we need to check this height. How much is the height of the last row? We will check here. Height is 40. So again we'll copy and paste it. We will copy it, and we need to check where we can paste it. We can paste it in the one. Okay, so we will check where is the value of cell is 1. Here it is, and here we will paste. And in first row, where we can paste in number of students, where the value of the content of the cell is number of student, where it is number of students. Okay, here it is, we will paste it here. And again we need to check for the second row. If we check in the second row, then English, Hindi or regional is written in any of these. Fine, I'll paste it in the English here. Now we need to save and open the browser window, reload here. Here you can check the complete text is having the distance because we have given the width and height of the row and column. Now we need to place the text in the center. How we can place the text in the center? The complete text is in center, so we can either we can uh, row align the row in the center. You can check now the complete row is in center. Now we will move to the second row. Second row, you can check second row is in the left side. By default it is left aligned. Second, third and fourth. In all the rows, one by one, we'll make changes. Here we will align the text to the center. So here you can observe the changes. You need to save and reload. You can check it. English, Hindi and regional is shifted to the center of the table. Now same code need to be copy and paste to the third and fourth row. And you can select and copy the text and then paste it here and in the last row. Or you can align the particular column or particular cell as well. So you can check now the complete content of the table is aligned to the center. Okay, what will happen if we give the align attribute to the table. Align attribute to the table. If we write here center, then you can check the complete table will be shifted to the center. If you want to place your table in the center or on the right side, then you need to use the align attribute in the table tag. But if you want to place the text, if you want to place the text content of the cell to the right or center, then you need to use the align in the TR or TD. Okay. Now we will open the code for next question, that is question number 5. Control plus O we can press here, and here we can check the questions. 184 page number, question number 5, A part. Same, we'll open the output and first we'll check the output. What is the output? Okay, so here you can check, this is the default output. When you will make the table, then this is the default. Default values of the height and width is equal to the content, width or height of the content of the table. If you want to increase the width or height of the cells, then you need to use the attributes, height and width attribute. This is the default table without height and width attribute, and this is the table by using the height and width attribute. Now we will understand the HTML code. This is the first table. Here we have used border attribute row span only, and in this width we have used, okay, row span, then width. If you want to change the height, if you want to increase the height, then how you can, like if I give the height of where the content is 1, I can use the height here, and now we can check the output. Height of the row is increased. Fine. In this way you can increase the height or width. Now we'll check the second program. We'll check the second program, B part. B part of the same question, that is question number 5. So here we need to select our file, B part. Okay. Also we'll open output, B part. So this is the table B part from page number 184, and here you can check, this is the very simple table earlier we had made. In this you need to use row span, col span, and align or v-align, all these, nothing else. Here we have used col span, 3 columns are merged. Here row span 3, col span 2, row span 2, and in this col span 4. This is the code in case of row span and col span. If we talk about the values, then here normal, left. No need to align because by default the text is aligned to the left side. This is center, this is right. All other are center aligned except N and J. N is the right aligned, J is the bottom right aligned, bottom right aligned. C is the left aligned. So now we'll check the code for this. Here you can check col span 3, height also we given, and you can increase the height and width. You need to write the code yourself and then you can match the code. Now we will open the next question. That is the question number 5, C part. Okay, control plus O, C part we will open. So you can check here in notepad also we'll open the same question. C part we need to open. This is the C part. Fine, here you can check that this is the default table by using row span, and this is the table in which we have used the height and width and as well as background color. BG color is used, BG color, to give the background color of the table. And in this C part we also used frame above. Frame is given on the above, top of the table. Height and width, you can check the code. This is the code. Table border is given, busy color, background color, and then frame above. And in first row, row span is 3 and width align. Both attributes are used. Align attribute is used to align the text or content of the table in the center, and then width and height. Fine, we will open the next or last part of this question, that is the D part. And here you can check. This is the last part, D part. And in this different color is given to the different cells. This row is having yellow color. This box where we have used row span is equal to 3. This box is having sky color, and these three boxes or second column is having green color. And even you can check here's some space is given to the left side. By default this text starts from here, from the near to the boundary of the cell. And here if you use the align attribute, then this text will be placed in the center. As if you compare it to the first row, in first row align attribute is having center value, and here center align attribute is not used with the center value. Here %, NBSP is used. I'll show you. Here you can check from starting. If we check the program HTML body, then table border is equal to 1, then first row we have started and busy color is equal to yellow, then first column TD span is equal to 2, and align center height 30, and this text is written. This text we need to make the text bold, so B tag is used to make the text bold, and then we need to close the B tag or TD and TR also. This is the second TR, second row of the table. In this row span 3, width, background color, and V align. V align is equal to top, vertical alignment. It must be started from the top, and then BR. Why we have used this BR? This BR is used to give the break between these lines. Here we have used 2 BR, 2 time BR is the empty tag, and here 1 BR, 1 BR. And here on the left side here, and in this %NBSP semicolon is used. This is used to give the one alphabet space. Okay, so this is the complete code. Background color we have given, height and width, row span, col span, V align, and to give the space %NB SP. This is the code. Question number 5, D part. So friends, here we have completed chapter 4. You can practice the questions, and you can ask your doubts. You can comment if you have any doubt, and in last we'll discuss all the examination questions whatever given in your book and objective type questions. But first we will complete all the chapters. And in exam 4 marks question can be asked, like one web page will be given to you. You need to write code for that. Like this table can be given and the code can be asked, that how you will write the code. And in case in specifications also the questions can be asked, like uh, code can be asked in the form of fill in the blanks. So you need to prepare all the questions or the practical questions in the form of theoretical. In written exam these practical questions can be asked, so you need to practice these questions. And in next video we will start chapter 3, chapter 3 HTML. That is the chapter 5 of your book and the third chapter of the HTML, because chapter 3 and 4 HTML 1 and 2 we have completed. HTML 3 is the chapter 5, audio video and form, means how we can insert the audio video and forms on the web pages. So friends, in next video we'll do the use of the video tag in HTML. For the time being, keep watching the videos. Bye.